So here is the, this thing needs to zoom out more. Here's the wing. It's been sitting here all night. It's about 52 degrees because I'm technically underground. This is me grabbing the mufflers, and they're nice and chilly. Or not the mufflers, the exhaust manifolds, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna shut my door here. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of cool things. First, barefoot. And let me get this adjusted here. Alright. My tripod's a little sketchy. Alright, so say I just pulled this thing, yeah, it's pointing in the right direction right now, but say I just pulled it in and I want to point the other way. This is a 1978 Goldwing, so it's not light. Real easy to turn around. Put the kickstand down, turn the steering head all the way to the right, pick up. Well, I'm running into a fire. You can swivel it on the kickstand. That's pretty bitchin'. Turn our fuel on here. We don't want it to fall through our drain. One of the disadvantages to being barefoot all the time. Tripods. One of those ones with little bendy legs. Choke. Turn on the ignition. Crack the throttle about 1/8 of a turn. That's dead cold. It's actually not bad. Once it's warm enough. You can hear how even it is. Oh, we made it mad. Stone cold. Choke's not out the whole way at all. Yeah, that's all the way. So it's gonna go about 2/3 because it is somewhat warm. Got a nice little low kill going right now at about 600 RPM or so. My buddy did a pretty good job getting the carburetors tuned up because they're synchronized. It would never do this before at all. And our brake light is bright enough to reflect on the wall. speeds up a little bit once it warms up. That's the best 20 bucks I ever spent. I'm mighty impressed with that. Here's a nice Pirellis. A whole lot of dead bugs. Yeah. And it's 7 o'clock now. I just woke up about 5 o'clock p.m. I did not get out today. I'm hoping to ride tomorrow, but they're calling for storms. Well, they've been calling for storms all week, and we haven't gotten any. So I might be riding tomorrow. There you go.